mga babanggitin ko kung tao, pwede na umalis. Okay, this is a certificate of appreciation. Please lang po, hindi na naman tayo, hindi lang. Mahilig naman po. Ito po yung certificate of appreciation para doon sa mga Skeptron dito sa UAE na bibigay sa atin ng magandang contribution. Okay? Ngayon po, babasahin ko, hindi halaman. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to Mr. Ronald De La Cruz, recognition of service and organization of successful events during the Independence Day and representing ATP UAE, the Philippine Consulate, Dubai, Skeptron Alumni Association of UAE, Emirates Council year 2008-2009, given on 7 of August 2009 and on celebration of the 30th founding anniversary of the Alpha Kappa Rho, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Signed by the UAE Skeptron founders. Ronald? Let's go, Brad Philip or Kia.
First sounds good.
Recognition of serving as a Grand Skeptron Alumni Association of the UAE. Brad Archie Bird. Being active to all the AKT activities or organization meetings. Brad. Let me call Brad Paris Malapote. Recognition and service for being active to all the AKT activities and organization. Miss Marites Reyes. For representing AKT UAE to the Philippine Consulate, Skeptron Alumni Association of UAE. Emirates Council. Mr. Adris Asaldo. Treasurer General Skeptron Alumni.
Harap, Brad. Harap. Yan lang.
Mr. Alvin Yolanda, being active for every organization meeting. Unfair! Mr. Renzi,
in recognition of the service of the PROQ, the Skeptron Alumni Association of UAE, the Emirates Council. It was given for the Emirates qualifier wrongly welcome for us.
Lagi nga yun eh, inuman ba?
Mr. Marcelino R. Wong. But hey, Abu Dhabi.
Gaday, sarap. Sarap po.
Muli ka makahuran na niya ako galihok ko. Brad Leyburn Alvarez, being a vice grand skeptron.
Hindi malig niya. That's right. Okay. Sa maganda kayo eh. Okay na. Okay na. Dami pa.
And now, the last award for the certificate of appreciation is awarded to Bradona Silva of Sharjah in recognition of service as PRO General in Sharjah for the successful organizing the Alpha Cameroon in Sharjah, UAE. Congratulations, brother.
Once again, Brad Albert Chan Gamitin for service as a founder and advisor for all the successful organizing of the Alpha Cameroon sa UAE. Nicole Brad Maratoni Gaguya for service as a founder and advisor of the UAE Cameroon. Mark Renzi or Snail Valdez for founder of the great founder of the UAE. And of course, let me call this is a very special certificate. It's an honor for me to announce. This lady is one of the greatest Cameroon here in the UAE. I want to give her gratitude of respect for Miss Joy. Yung certificate naubos yung artist. Kaya habol na lang. Nahabol na. Hati na lang tayo.
Sige, okay lang, Brad.
Sis. Yung badge.